What up, what it do? Thank you for tuning into my channel. I'm ThatShayWay, and everything I do in my own way. If you are a returning subscriber, hey, how you doing? And if you are a new viewer, hey, new friend, you might as well go ahead and subscribe to me because I'm here to stay, okay? I'm almost 5 weeks post DIY Microlocs, and I'm still loving it here. I am loving it, but my scalp is itching like crazy. It's ridiculous. The way I've been the way I've been scratching and itching my scalp is ridiculous. Like I can't go on any longer without shampooing my hair. I really intended to shampoo my hair a week after I installed it off, but I can't put it off anymore. It's to the point that my scalp is sore. Like if my scalp gets super dry and I'm just itching and scratching, I have to just go ahead and shampoo it. I don't have much of an update too much because it's only a month in. And after the first video that I posted of my DIY Microlocs, I went in and made them smaller. Because you know, as they mature and start to lock, they're going to get a little fuller. I'm not going to let my ends lock up. So I have been applying like a little cream to my ends just to make sure they stay hydrated and healthy, and so that they don't break off. I'm trying to keep as much length as I can and just continue to have a healthy hair journey that does not stop with me locking my hair. So I decided to detangle my ends a little bit and apply a little cream. Then I apply like a little bit of gel just to define them more. And after that, I noticed that my ends started unraveling. So what I did was braid down my ends. I did do my first retie because I had been manipulating my hair a lot. Listen, when it comes to this hair stuff, I might follow no rules, so I'm gonna let my hair just do what it do. You know, I got me. When it comes to my hair,
I do what I want to do.
I just want to enjoy this journey my way. I recorded some of the process, and I did not edit that video yet, and it's been about a week, so you know. And I did a 2-point rotation still. And I did have some slippage, so I did feel like I was interlocking some of these locks for a long time because it was like a lot of slippage at the root. But like I said, it's all because of me, because I was manipulating my hair. I know the consequences of what I do, and I just have to handle it. And that's just it. I'm just going to do the journey. I'm going to listen to my hair, do what's needed at the time. I'm just taking it day by day. I'm enjoying it. I love waking up and just being able to moisturize my hair real quick, shake and go. It's just so much freedom. And I love the fact that my hair is technically always done. I love it. I always try to use satin scrunchies for the most part. So I have some satin scrunchies. I have some little rubber bands just to band it in so that when I'm shampooing my hair, it doesn't come undone. I just clip my nails. So I'm just going to put on some gloves just so my nails aren't snagging at my hair. All right, so I have my misting spray bottle. I'm going to put warm water in here. And, you know, I'm going to spray my hair first. I have my black soap shampoo that I made. That was my last video. If you have not seen that, check that out. And then I have my ThatShayWay oil for my scalp. You can find it on my Etsy shop if you are interested. Cream, my homemade cream. And I have my lavender mist. So we about to get started. We're going to braid this hair up and then band these ends. Like, I don't like this part. I don't like this here. Alright, so I'm trying to make it as loose from the root so I can get in there easily, which I think I can. I have half done. Look, you can see the edge control flaking. It's time, baby. It's time. Look, see? I already snagged. That's why I will be having on my gloves. Lord. Okay, am I slow? Like, what's taking me so long to get this in half, honey? Okay, got the gloves on. Yeah, I'm not gonna get a super soap that is dripping. Hopefully not. I'm gonna get the ends too, cause I believe in washing your ends. Shampooing your ends, getting that cleansed up. Okay, that's nice and saturated. So we got. Let me see. Hope y'all can see that. So I'm just spraying it. You really don't need a lot, but I be ODing everything. I really OD everything. So it's cool. I'm gonna put it on my ends too. I ain't playing. This cause I put product on my ends. And I don't want no buildup on my ends, because if I have buildup on my ends, that means it's not going to receive any hydration and moisturization that I put on it. The gloves make it so much easier to get through. There's no snagging or anything. I take my time. When cleansing your scalp, take your time, be gentle. I highly suggest using gloves while doing this, because let me tell you, I mean, I would suggest using gloves while if your hair is loose too. This works like a charm. Clean canvas is everything.
$2,000 years later.
Got my cotton t-shirt. One came out of the braid, but it's all good. It didn't unravel. My scalp is nice and clean. It feels so good. So much better. So much better. Bring my lavender water. I'm gonna apply my oil to my hair by and scalp while it's damp. I do not like applying oil when my hair is dry. That just doesn't make sense to me. And I just apply oil whenever it's needed. I don't necessarily do it every day, just whenever I feel like it's needed. But definitely after you cleanse your hair and scalp, it's needed, in my opinion. Oh, or better yet, look, I don't be having time. Put it right on the fingertips. Fingertips. Massage that bad boy in there. Massage it right on in there. Come on. This one applies to all my ends and let it air dry.
Running through, running through, running through, running through, running through a check. Hey, running through, running through, running through, running through, running through a check.